Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm continuing publishing videos for you with amazing nail designs which will be suitable for New Year and Christmas. This is the new collection. You can find every nail design you like and apply it on your client's nails. As you can see, now I'm using the gel paint from shop shapeofnail.com. This is the light mint color. We have applied clear gel in cuticles area from upper side, and I have applied the gel paint from the lower side. This is the quickest type of the gradient. So this way we can do gradient quickly. This gradient is not ideal, but if you want to draw something, like in my case, I'm drawing here silver patterns. I think this gradient would be adorable and suitable, just because you can apply it very fast. So this is the fastest way to make the gradient, the horizontal gradient. I'm using the flat brush for one stroke technique for this gradient. We cure it in LED lamp in 1 minute. I'm using now silver gel paint, and I have already applied the top coat for these nails. So this will be 3D nail design with the top coat. If, for example, you have a lot of clients and you want to make quickest and beautiful nail designs, I think this is the good way. Because especially in my nail studio, there are a lot of people before Christmas and New Year who want to make their nails before celebrations, who want to have beautiful nails. So I have prepared not only artistic nail design with patterns, I have prepared for you the special geometric nail design. I'm using the glitter on the middle nail, and now I'm drawing the thin line into the center, vertical line into the center of the nail plate. I'm drawing it using black gel paint for the French manicure. And it's very easy to draw such lines using this type of gel paint. Please never use acrylic paint for it. Acrylic paint we can use only for small patterns or elements or detail paint. Now we're placing rhombos, so you can combine them in different directions, in different way you like. So the black line is something like the background for these rhomboses, and this way they look maximum beautiful. You can apply this kind of nail design on all nails. It will be looking amazing, especially if nails are long. Okay, after you should apply thick layer of the top coat to seal all particles of the nail design, to seal them perfectly, and they will be sparkling very beautiful. Let's take a look. The design is ready and it looks good on the daylight, and it will be looking amazing on the night, in the nightclub. Okay guys, the next nail design I will be showing not only cold shades, I'm also going to show you nail designs with the gold color. As you can see, I have applied the background with the gold gel paint, and I have applied goldy mirror powder on the French manicure. It looks beautiful, so we can use the gold gel paint, and also you can apply the mirror powder to make the beautiful effect. And now you see me working with thin brush number 0, and I'm drawing something like the flower, petals of flower. I have applied the top coat on these nails, on this nail, and cure it in LED lamp in 1 minute. Have removed the tacky layer, and now I'm making the 3D nail design. As you can see, all nail designs take less than 5 minutes, and this is great because I know there are a lot of nail technicians who make tutorials with difficult nail designs. They try to amaze you with beautiful compositions, but these compositions take too much time. It's not real. All my work life with all my tutorials, I'm trying to show you the quickest and the easiest way, and this way is easy for the beginner, not only for the professional. From the one hand, and from the other hand, these designs are very quick, and this is the real work, real salon work. That's why, guys, I suggest you to use my techniques. Let's take a look. It's very beautiful. Please let me know down in the comments what do you think about these nail designs and these techniques. And the fourth nail design will be the fourth nail design will be with the bird, like in previous videos, and I'm gonna also sculpt the snowman. The bird will be drawn with gel paint with details. I'm applying the diagonal curved French manicure. I have applied also the snow using gel paint for French manicure, and I'm placing the sugar on the snow. So we have 3D bird and gold gel paint. Let's take a look how beautiful we have birds. And the next nail design, I'm applying the gradient, the horizontal gradient, with pink color and white color. It's something like this sweater. It's very popular nail design in Russia, and you can apply it using the gel paint for the French manicure from shapeofnail.com. You can order it right now, and you will receive it before New Year celebrations, and you will have a chance to draw using this gel paint on your clients. As you can see, it's easy to create 3D nail designs like this. We're placing some acrylic powder or sugar on the top of this, on the top of wet gel paint, and the result is amazing. you have 3D sculptured patterns, decals, cartoon heroes, sweaters, lines. What do you think about this nail design? It's amazing. So we used only cup $2 gel paint for the French manicure, and now I'm sculpting the snowman using 3D gel, which also available on shapeofnote.com. I'm using only 3D gel and rubbing alcohol. I'm moisturizing my brush with rubbing alcohol. Now I'm using black gel paint to draw details on this snowman. Okay, here it is. What do you think about this nail design? Would you ever have such nail design? Is it seem for you too bulky or not? So please let me know your thoughts about these nails. Don't forget to click that like button if you like my work, subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow. Bye.